Welcome to shiksha.com. In this tutorial, we will be guiding you on how to correctly fill the BITSAT 2015 application form. So here, first of all, we go to the BITSAT 2015 website. On this website, we have many tabs which are placed right on the top here. Among these tabs, we have to click on the BITSAT tab wherein a drop-down opens up. We have two options here which are BITSAT online test and check application status. Here we click on the BITSAT online tests. This leads us to this page here which states that BITSAT is a computer-based online test for admission to integrated first degree programs of BITS Pilani campuses in Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad. Below this, there is a link which states that click here to apply for BITSAT 2015 and we click on this link here. A page with information on how to successfully fill the BITSAT 2015 application form opens up. Here you are also provided with a link to download the exam brochure so that you get more detailed information on how to fill this application form. Also, on this page, candidates are provided with details about how to pay the application fee for the exam. After you have gone through all these instructions carefully, you can click on this link here which states that I have read and understood all the instructions. Allow me to apply online. On clicking this link, another page opens up which asks for your personal details. Here you need to fill your full name as mentioned on your class 12 examination mark sheet, followed by your gender, date of birth, and your email ID. After filling these details, you need to enter this CAPTCHA code in this box right here. This page has another link which asks candidates to enter the BITSAT 2015 application number if they have already registered for the entrance exam. Since we have not registered before, we leave this box blank and move on and click the proceed button on the right here. Further, a detailed application form opens up which candidates are advised to fill with a lot of attention. Here, the first four fields which you filled on the earlier page are already being reflected and they are already filled. After this, you need to put in your father's name and then your mother's name. Then you need to fill in your nationality, that is whether you're an Indian or a foreigner. If you select the foreigner option here, you have to mention your nationality in the next box that opens up. And since we are not a foreigner, we'll just click the Indian box here. Next, you need to fill in your address for correspondence, followed by your city, your PIN code, and your state. Further, you need to mention your phone number as well as your mobile number. Please note that here it is mandatory for you to fill in your mobile number. This completes the personal details section of your BITSAT 2015 application form. The next section requires you to fill your class 12th examination details. Here you need to fill in the name of the institute where you are presently studying, and for drop year students, they have to write the name of the institute which they last attended. Okay, this filled. The next field is already filled in and it states that the examination type is 12th year or its equivalent. Further, you have to select the name of the examination board. On clicking here, a drop-down opens up and you have to select the name of the board in which you will be appearing for your class 12th exam. Next, you need to select your year of passing the exam. Here we select 2015 because most of the students will be appearing for the class 12th exam next year only. In the next field, candidates need to select the subject which they will be attempting in part 4 of the BITSAT exam. Here they have an option to select from mathematics and biology. However, a point to note here is that if you select biology in this field, then you would be eligible to apply for B Pharma Honors Program only. And here we want to apply for a BTech course, so we will select mathematics. This completes the next section in our BITSAT 2015 application form. The final section in the BITSAT application form asks you to select your BITSAT 2015 test center, and here you have to mention your top 3 preferences. So here select the test centers which are closer to your place of residence, and we select Noida as our first preference, followed by Delhi as a second preference and Gurgaon as a third preference. After filling these fields, you need to click on the submit button right here at the bottom. On clicking this button, you will be asked to check and confirm all the details you have mentioned in the BITSAT application form. You are given two options here. One is to edit the details mentioned above, and the other is confirm and submit details. Candidates are advised to thoroughly go through all the details they have mentioned in the form and thereafter click on the green link here. Okay? On clicking this link, you will be led to this page here which mentions your application number, your full name and your email ID. You will also be prompted to note down your application number for any future correspondence. Below this, you will be asked to select any one of the payment options from either ICICI Challan payment, wherein you can make cash payment at any ICICI bank branch in India. You can also make your payment through a payment gateway, that is through credit or debit card, or also through net banking. Here, if you click on the ICICI Challan payment mode, then you will be led onto this page here which asks you to print your application form and print your challan. Okay, on this page you are also provided with an opportunity to change your payment mode, and for that you will have to click on this button here. Okay, on doing this you will be led back to the earlier page, and here you can select the payment gateway mode for making your fee payment. Okay, and we click here. A page opens up wherein you will be provided with instructions on how to make the payment for the entrance exam along with the amount which you have to pay. We advise that you go through all these details very carefully. Further, you are given two options. Either you can change your payment mode again or go ahead with the payment gateway. If you agree on the latter, then you have to click on this link here in green which states, yes, I agree and pay now. Clicking on this link, you will be led onto the payment gateway where you need to select your mode of payment from credit card, debit card or net banking. And once you have successfully paid the examination fee, your application process for BITSAT 2015 will be complete. That's it from us. We hope this tutorial on how to fill the BITSAT 2015 application form was helpful for you. You can share your views on the same in our comment section below. Until the exam, shiksha.com wishes students all the best for the preparations.